Ever wish your home could just make life a little easier? Well, today's video is all about innovative home gadgets that do exactly that. We're diving into some of the coolest tech that turns your home into a smarter, more efficient space. Imagine gadgets that simplify everyday tasks, boost comfort, and even help save energy. Sounds like a dream, right? Stick around as we check out these game-changing products that are transforming the way we live. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting home hacks. First up, Magic Groove Duster Sponge. If cleaning baseboards makes you feel like you're training for a gymnastics meet, this little gadget might just save your back. This 2-pack damp clean duster sponge is perfect for anyone who's tired of chasing dust bunnies around blinds, vents, or those annoying window track grooves. Just soak it for 20 seconds, and boom! It's like a magic eraser with superpowers. The best part? That new 23U-shaped groove fits right into tight spots and actually traps dust instead of just pushing it around like your old sponge does. It even tackles hair and oil without flinging dust into the air. Yep, it's got skills. Available on Amazon. Price: around $6.59. Next up, Bissell Pet Hair Swivel Vacuum. Pet hair everywhere? Yeah, I've been there, but this Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Vacuum is a total game changer. It's perfect for pet parents who are done battling for tumbleweeds in every corner of the house. The quick-release wand makes it super easy to clean floors, couches, stairs, even those weird ceiling corners where fur somehow ends up. What I love most? That triple-action brush roll and scatter-free tech. It grabs pet hair like it owes it money. Plus, it's lightweight and has swivel steering, so you won't feel like you're wrestling a robot. Available on Amazon. Price: around $175. Move on to Electric Spin Scrubber. Scrubbing the bathroom by hand? Yeah, no thanks. This electric spin scrubber does the hard work so you don't have to. It's perfect for anyone who hates bending, scrubbing, or fighting with grout. Just pick a brush head, hit the power button, and let it spin the grime away. I love that it has 2 speeds for both light and deep cleaning, plus the handle extends so you can reach those awkward corners without turning into a contortionist. And get this, it runs up to 2 hours on a single charge and weighs just 1 pound, so even your kid could join the cleaning party, just saying. The bristles are tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, and it's waterproof too, so cleanup is a breeze. Available on Amazon. Price: around $39.59. Delomo Jumbo Lint Roller with long handle. Pet hair, crumbs, fuzz. If it's on your floor or furniture, this jumbo lint roller is ready to roll it all up, pun 100% intended. The Delomo Large Lint Roller is perfect for pet owners, busy households, or anyone who's tired of dragging out the vacuum for every little mess. It's got a massive 9.45-inch width and a long handle that extends up to 45 inches. So yes, you can clean under the couch without becoming a yoga master. With 360 super sticky sheets and 50% more stickiness than regular rollers, it grabs everything in one swipe. And bonus, the tear-off sheets are actually easy to peel, so no more wrestling with the roll like it owes you money. Available on Amazon. Price: around $23.69. StepRite Cushioned Kitchen Mat Set. If your feet scream louder than your smoke alarm after cooking dinner, you need these StepRite kitchen mats in your life. They're perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time standing at the stove, sink, or even a standing desk. The cushion support is a game changer. It's like memory foam for your feet, without the hefty mattress price tag. I also love that they're stain-resistant and super easy to wipe clean. Because let's be real, spills happen. Plus, the non-slip backing keeps them locked in place so you're not doing the moonwalk in your kitchen. Available on Amazon. Price: around $20.24. APEXCHASER 3-tier expandable drying rack. Tired of fighting with your dryer for space? The APEXCHASER 3-tier clothes drying rack is here to save the day and your clothes. Perfect for apartments or small spaces, this rack is expandable and can stretch out to give you loads of drying space for all your towels, sweaters, and jeans. It's super easy to set up, no tools needed, and it folds down for super simple storage when you're done. The rust-resistant metal means it can stand up to indoor or outdoor use, so you can even take it out on the patio when the weather's nice. Plus, it's gentle on your clothes and eco-friendly, no more blasting energy on the dryer. Available on Amazon. Price: around $42.99. Retractable Gap Duster Cleaner. Tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach spots? The Retractable Gap Dust Cleaner is a game changer. With its adjustable handle, you can extend it up to 60 inches to clean under appliances, couches, or even between those tricky spaces. It's lightweight, easy to use, and the microfiber cloths attract dust and hair like magic. Seriously, it's like your housework just got a little easier. Plus, you get 2 washable cloth covers, so you're always ready for a quick clean. If you hate bending over or crawling around, this one's for you. Available on Amazon. Price: around $9.99. Afloia Pet Grooming Kit. Hey everyone! If you're tired of dog hair getting all over your house and your pet is a little scared of traditional grooming tools, you need to check out the Afloia Dog Grooming Kit. This thing is a game changer with its built-in vacuum that sucks up all that loose fur, leaving no mess behind. So no more cleaning up after your pet's beauty session. It's got low noise, so your dog won't be running for the hills, and with 6 grooming attachments, you can tackle everything from shedding to nail trimming. Plus, the 1.5L dust cup means you won't be emptying it every 5 minutes. It's like a professional grooming salon, right at home. Available on Amazon. Price: $99.99. Moen Brecklyn Glacier White Kitchen Faucet. Hey friends! If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen faucet, check out the Moen Brecklyn Glacier White Kitchen Faucet. Perfect for those who want both style and functionality, it's got that sleek, glacier white finish that fits beautifully with most kitchen designs. With Power Clean technology, this faucet gives you 50% more spray power to tackle those tough messes without any extra effort. Plus, the retractable pull-out sprayer makes it super easy to clean every corner of your sink. Installation? A breeze thanks to Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system. Available on Amazon. Price: $134.10. X9 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Hey friends! If you're looking for a vacuum that actually makes cleaning easier, check out the X9 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's packed with a powerful 550W motor that can tackle everything from pet hair to large debris on carpets, hardwood, and tiles. The best part? It runs up to 60 minutes on a single charge, so you can clean your whole house without stopping for a recharge. Plus, it stands up on its own, no more propping it against the wall. With its self-cleaning brush roller and high-efficiency filtration system, this vacuum is a game changer. Available on Amazon. Price: $159.99. AUGO Magnetic Screen Door. Hey friends! If you're tired of battling bugs every time you open the door, check out the AUGO Magnetic Screen Door. This thing is a game changer. Super easy to install and totally hands-free, so you can walk right through without worrying about holding the door open. What I love most? The patent-pending feature that lets you keep the door open without it flapping around, perfect for when you're hosting or just need quick access. Plus, it's pet and kid-friendly, so everyone, fur babies included, can pass through with ease. Say goodbye to mosquitoes and hello to fresh air. Available on Amazon. Price: $27.99. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop. Hey friends, if you're tired of the old mop and bucket routine, I've got a game changer for you, the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. This thing makes cleaning a breeze with its hands-free wringing system and splash guard, so no more wet splashes all over the place. It even has a 360 degrees mop head that gets into those tricky corners and under furniture, perfect for deep cleaning your floors. Plus, the microfiber mop head is machine washable and can last up to 3 months. And get this, the handle extends up to 48 inches, so no more bending over, your back will thank you. Available on Amazon. Price: $34.96. Touchless Soap Dispenser. Hey everyone! If you're tired of the soap dispenser drama, the mess, the spills, the need to touch it, check out this automatic soap dispenser. Perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or even your office. It's touchless, sleek, and super easy to refill. Plus, it's got 3 adjustable soap levels, so you can customize the amount of soap you want, no more wasting. It also comes with a 1,800 mAh battery, meaning one full charge lasts about 3 months, so you don't have to worry about recharging every week. It's the perfect gift for the family, or just for yourself. Available on Amazon. Price: $23.99. Crevice Cleaning Brush. Hey guys! If you're tired of struggling with hard-to-reach spots in your kitchen and bathroom, this hard bristle crevice cleaning brush is about to become your new best friend. It's perfect for cleaning those narrow gaps. Think around your sink, toilet, or even those pesky window tracks. The bristles are strong and durable, so no more worrying about them shedding mid-cleaning. Plus, the metal tip is smoothed out so it won't scratch up your surfaces. It's built to last, making it the go-to tool for those tricky cleaning spots. Available on Amazon. Price: $5.59. iRUNTEK Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. Hey friends! If you're tired of your sweaters and couches looking like they've been through a fuzz factory, you need the iRUNTEK Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. It's got a sleek LED display that tells you exactly when to charge and lets you adjust the speed for all kinds of fabric. Whether it's a wool sweater or a plush toy, this lint remover gets the job done in half the time, without ruining your clothes. The best part? It has a huge trash bin, so you won't have to empty it every 5 minutes. Safe to use, easy to charge, and with a 3-hour battery life, this one's a game changer. Available on Amazon. Price: $26.99. SakerPlus 3-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner. Hey guys, check out this awesome SakerPlus 3-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner. It's got everything you need to clean your car, desk, or home without the hassle. With 15,000 PA suction power and 3 adjustable modes, it can handle everything from light dusting to stubborn messes. Plus, it's super lightweight, only 0.77 pounds, so it's easy to use for those long cleaning sessions without breaking a sweat. Oh, and did I mention it can also blow dust out of your keyboard or inflate your pool toys? It's like having 3 tools in one. Available on Amazon. Price: $54.99. Brita 6-cup water filter pitcher. Hey friends! If you're looking to upgrade your tap water game, the Brita water filter pitcher is a total game changer. It holds 6 cups, and with its built-in filter, it helps reduce chlorine taste, plus nasty stuff like copper and mercury. It's super easy to use, with a spill-proof lid and an indicator that tells you when it's time to change the filter. Plus, it's BPA-free and helps save you from those endless single-use plastic bottles. So it's good for you and the planet. Perfect for anyone looking for cleaner, fresher water in a snap. Available on Amazon. Price: $25.79. So, which of these kitchen organization caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share with your friends.